loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is doing a quick styling video on this hair that you see right here, but in this video I just wanted to do a quick styling so that I could be holiday party ready. I got my green on with a nice little dress that I'm just ready for a holiday party if I was to go to a holiday party. So like I told you guys, this unit was a straight unit. In the first video I showed you guys the hair after I had washed it or bleached the knots, so the natural pattern of it, as well as me straightening it and the hair in a middle part. And so that's how this video will start. It will start how the hair looks in the other video, and then I transform it into a right side part with a little bit of curls and a little bit of body. Okay, if I didn't tell you guys, this unit is 150%. Is it 150% density? I believe it's 150% density. Yes, 150% density. And so I absolutely love this unit. This is me just putting the curls in right now. I didn't really put any holding spray, so more than likely the curls are going to fall, which is fine. I'll just go back to the straight look. But I did want to show you guys that you can curl this unit, and this unit is so multifaceted. The fact that I could put the hair up in a ponytail, put a right side part, middle side part, left side part, like whatever I wanted to do with this unit, I could do that. And so yes, I'm definitely feeling this unit. Hopefully you guys are feeling it. Make sure to stay tuned to how I styled it up just right quick. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next / last video of the year that's going to take place on New Year's Eve. Alright guys.